Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Melissa, and today I'm going to be doing a baby clothing haul for you all. This is like my third haul that I've done, and literally somebody needs to stop me from buying baby clothes because I normally have a really bad shopping addiction, but because I'm pregnant and I know I don't have that much longer to fit into my pregnancy clothes, I have moved my focus from clothes for myself to clothes for my son. And baby clothes are honestly the most adorable thing ever. Also, I'd like to point out that I am wearing the same shirt in my last video because I like to film multiple videos usually on the same day. That's why I'm in the same shirt and I look the same. Anyways, I have this decent sized box right here from Children's Place and I am so excited, guys. I've already taken everything kind of out of the bags and looked things over, so they're just stored in the box right now because I honestly have no room. I haven't even had my baby shower yet and he's already spoiled with clothes. So you will notice though a lot of these clothes are bigger sizes because I do have a decent amount of like newborn and 0 to 3, and I know that people are gonna buy a lot of smaller sizes probably for my baby shower, so that's why these are all for like bigger, like 12 months and stuff like that. Also really quick, I would just like to throw in here that Children's Place is a great place to shop online for your kids' clothes because they're always constantly running sales. This whole box I got 60% off every item because they're always running the deal of 60% off their entire site. And so between that and their clearance items, you can get some really good deals. I got like a $35 jacket for him for like $16. This video is not sponsored by any means. However, I like to shop with good deals, and so I figured I would share that with you guys. So if you're looking for cute clothes for your kids with good deals, Children's Place is where it's at. Okay, so first off, let's start with the shoes. I got 4 pairs of shoes. So this is the first pair of shoes that I purchased. They're little like tan workers boots. They have the Velcro and some elastic. These are size 6 to 12 months. So I do have a pair similar to this for 0 to 3 months, but I just really like them because they're neutral and they'll go with pretty much anything. So I got a pair of these. Next, I got these little pairs of shoes. They're just gray and black. Same kind of concept. They have the Velcro here with elastic across the front, but they're super duper cute. They're also in a size 6 to 12 month. And they'll go with a lot of his outfits that he has. Next, I have these little pairs of shoes. These are size 4. So they will probably be closer to like 12 months or something like that. But they're just basic black slip-on shoes with a white base. Super cute, great for walking if he's walking at the time of wearing them. And then last, I got him these white little sneakers, also in a size 4, but they're just basic white sneakers. They have a Velcro and the elastics right there. Super cute, like I said, will go with a lot of his outfits. I like to stick with neutral shoes so that way it's very versatile rather than just like shoes for a specific outfit. I also would like to point out that I have said this to my family before, but I will be dressing my son in style in like adorable outfits because my son is gonna know how to dress himself, and yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of dig in the box and just go with whatever's in order. First up, I have this little army fleece sleeper. So it's just a footed sleeper. Over here on the side it says Major Cutie, and this is in a size 3 to 6, so it'll be perfect for the winter time. Next I have this pack of sleepers. So it's just a navy blue sleeper with a green dinosaur that says Roar, and this is also in a 3 to 6 month. And then it came with this second sleeper. It's just navy blue with some green stripes. Just very basic. And these are a thinner material, so they're not as heavy. Then I have this adorable little shirt. It's a size 6 to 9 month, but it's just gray, and it has a big dinosaur and a little dinosaur, and it just says like father, like son. And I just thought it was so adorable because I honestly think he's gonna be a mini version of my boyfriend. Next, I got this set of shirts. So these are size 12 to 18 months, but it's just a long sleeve thin shirt. It's gray with a navy blue collar and then some like burgundy sleeves. So it came with this shirt as well as this shirt, which is a dark gray with a light gray collar and black sleeves. So just really basic and simple for everyday outfits. Next, I have this jacket that I got for him. This is a size 12 to 18 month, and it's just a nice zip-up jacket. It's like a dark gray and black kind of knitted material with a black kind of top. Kind of resembles a North Face in a way. But like I said, this jacket was originally $35 and I got it for like $16. So to me, that was a good deal, and it's just so cute, and it'll be perfect for like the fall, winter time when he's at that age. Next, he has this little track suit. This is size 12 to 18 month as well. So it's just navy blue jogger pants with white stripes on the side. And then to go with it, it's this little jacket. So it's navy blue with, again, the white stripes on the side. But it's so cute, and honestly, I just think this is super adorable with like a pair of white sneakers. These are like the only smaller things that I got him. They're 0 to 3 month, but it's just a package of sweatpants. So there are these black pair, and they have like the little elastic bottoms so they don't ride up. And then it came with a gray pair. So same deal, elastic on the bottom. So I figured I have outfits that need pants, and again, neutral, gray and black pretty much will match any of his outfits. So next are these jeans. These are size 6 to 9 month, but they're just black skinny jeans, baby jeans, super cute. They do have kind of the elastic in the back so it will stretch, but I just figured they're basic black jeans and they'll go with pretty much all of his outfits. Again, in a 6 to 9, I got pretty much the same pair but in a dark wash jean. So these are a straight jean, super cute, again elastic in the back. They actually have working pockets, but basic jeans just to throw on with a t-shirt. The next two things are outfits that I bought to be paired together. So these are size 12 to 18, but it's kind of like a medium washed jean color, straight jean, super cute. And then to go with that, I got this little plaid shirt. So it's just like white, blue, red, gray, and it's a short sleeve button up. And I just thought it was super cute, and I figured it would look really cute with the jeans. I don't know if you can see that, but I just figured that would look super cute. And then if he fits, like, just to show the little like shoes or the little black shoes. So, and then really similar to that, this is also 12 to 18, right? Yep. It's just a gray pair of jeans. So, and then to go with that, this little short sleeve button up shirt. It's just white with like a bluish gray kind of striped pattern. And so you can kind of see, I think that would look really, really cute. Hopefully y'all can see that, but I think that would look really, really cute together. So got those. Alright guys, so that is everything that is in this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, super cute stuff. Go over and check Children's Place website out because I check all the time and they're always running that 60% off the entire site. And yeah, so I'm super excited. I know I've posted, this is like my third haul video, and I'm going to be posting my baby shower haul video soon. So stay tuned for that. That should be fun. A lot of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!